Okay, today we are going to learn about the basic comprehension reading passage 5. Okay, let's read and decide. This story is about, so you have to tell me at the end, is about 2 policemen, option B 2 thieves, option C 2 friends. Okay, now I'm going to read. Please read and comprehend. Later we'll discuss the questions. The 2 men, Lazy and Barnes, waited in their car about a quarter of a mile from the big house. They sat there in the darkness, smoking, hardly talking. It was now a little after midnight. At last, they saw a light in one of the upstairs windows. It flashed once, twice, 3 times. That's the signal, Lazy said. Both the men got out of the car. They were wearing dark clothes. They now put on gloves. Lazy had a small bag of tools. Can I bring the gun? Barnes asked. How many times must I tell you? No guns, Lazy snapped. Not while you are working with me. They entered the garden through a small side gate. I hope there aren't any dogs, Barnes said as they crept round the edge of the garden. They were going towards the back of the house. There are no dogs and no people here, Lazy told him, except for our friend upstairs. Now keep quiet and follow me. They entered a big yard at the back of the house. That's the window over there, Lazy said, pointing to a small window near the kitchen door. You wait here. I'll get through the kitchen window. If I can't open the door, you'll have to climb through the window too. Lazy crossed the yard. He opened the window without difficulty and climbed through. But the kitchen door was locked and the key was not there. He went to the window and whistled to Barnes. You have to climb through the window too, he said. Just at that moment, they heard the sound of a car. It was approaching the house at great speed, and its lights lit up the house as it got nearer. People got out and they could hear voices. It's the police, Barnes said. That's a trap. It's a trap. I knew it. Don't panic, Lazy told him. Now listen to me. Go back to the car and wait for me there. I'll join you as soon as I can. Off you go and keep well in the shadow. Okay, so I just read now. I didn't explain anything. I'm going to explain now. Okay.
Excuse me, man.
Yeah.
Trap mean trap.
Trap. அது ஒரு சதி வலை. Okay, there is a meaning over here. You can discuss the. What does it mean? Yeah, we are going to discuss here. Find these words and phrases in the text. Hardly, flashed, edge, yard, at great speed, panic, keep well line. Okay, so please tell me the answers. Now choose the right meaning. Be afraid. What's the right answer? Be afraid. Afraid in sonna payam. So be afraid. What is the right answer? What can you find from these words? Panic. Right answer. Very good. Panic is the right answer. Very quickly is not a panic. Very quickly is great speed. Very quickly, rapidly, great speed. Okay. So first of all, be afraid is a panic. Right answer. Second one, a piece of open ground. A piece of open ground. What is the answer? Yard. Correct. Yard. That's the right answer. Yard. Okay. A piece of open ground. Yard னு சொல்றது ஒரு தோட்ட வெளிப்பரப்பு. அதுக்கு தான் நாங்க yard னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay. Third one is shone. What does it mean? Shone. Shone, shine, shone, flashed. Very good. Shone means வெளிச்சம். Shone வெளிச்சம். So the similar word is flashed. That's the right answer. Fourth one, not very much. Not very much. Not very much. Hardly. That's the right answer. Not very much. Hardly. That's the right answer. Next one. Stay as much as possible. Stay as much as possible. What is the answer? Keep well. Keep well. Stay. Yeah. Keep well. As much as keep well. பொறுமையா இரு. Okay. Side. Side. Edge. இதுக்கு தான் edge வரும். மூளை பக்கம், கார்னர் கார்னர், ஓரம். நாங்க ஓரம்னு சொல்லுவோம் தானே, அந்த தமிழ்ல ஓரம்னு சொல்றதுக்கு சைடு அல்லது edge நீங்க சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, மூளையா இருந்தா கார்னர்னு சொல்லலாம். Very quickly, what does it mean? What is the right phrase? At great speed. At great speed is the right answer. Very good. Right, now look at the B part. Choose the right answer. Lazy and Barnes were waiting. Lazy and Barnes were waiting for. Okay, choose the right answer. Lazy and Barnes were waiting for a signal. Yes, that's the right answer. They were waiting for the signal, for a signal. Second one, the signal told them to
Go to the house.
The signal told them to go to the house because one of the friends had gone already into the house and he is lighting. He is showing the light. That is the signal. Okay, so that is the way these two people who are staying outside, they will get the idea. No one is there. This is the right time that we wanted to get into the house. Okay, so that means go to the house is the right answer. Third one, Barnes wanted to
Take his gun. Take his gun.
take his gun. அவருக்கு gun எடுக்க வேண்டி இருந்தது. That's the right answer. Can everybody understood this lesson? Can you all understand this? Have you all understood? Yes, okay. Lazy, fourth question. Okay, right. Lazy and Barnes went to the house. Option A, quickly, quietly, silently. How did they go? Lazy and Barnes went to the house? Quietly. Okay, quietly. Fifth one, Lazy got into the house. He then wanted to open the door, break down the door, open the window.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the window.
Lazy got into the house.
Open the door.
Then he wanted to open the window. Some are saying open the window. If you have a doubt, get back to the paragraph again. They entered the garden through a small side gate. I hope there aren't any dogs. Okay, so after that they were saying they were going towards the back of the house. There are no dogs, no people, Lazy told. And they entered a big yard at the back of the house. That's the window over there. So they pointing to a small window near the kitchen door. So they, how did they went inside? How did they go inside? They go inside. I'll get through the window. Through the window. So அவங்க எப்படி உள்ள போனாங்க? How did they get into the house? Lazy got into the house. By open the window. Okay, open the window. Right? Next one. Before Barnes could get into the house, people shouted there was a fire, a car came. What's the answer?
Car came.
Car came. அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு உள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாலேயே ஒரு கார் வந்துருச்சு. Okay, car came. A car came. Seventh one, Barnes was afraid that the police were trying to catch them, kill them, hurt them. Catch them. Yes, they were afraid of it. Yes. Eighth one, Lazy and Barnes went away from the house. Option A, one after the other together without lights. One after the other. Yes, one after the other means என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒருவருக்கு பின்னால ஒருவர் தான் அவங்க போனாங்க. ஓகே, ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்தபடியா போகல. They didn't go together. Okay, they didn't go together. They went one after the other. One after the other. Can you understand now? Right. What do the words in italics refer to? Italics means slanted letters. Okay, they said they are in the darkness. So here the italic word is there. So what does it mean? There. There. They said they are in the darkness. Italics means the slanted letters. Italics means வளைஞ்ச மாதிரி எழுதப்பட்டிருக்கும். இப்போ இதுல எல்லா எழுத்தும் நேரா இருக்குது. இந்த தியானம் சொல்ற ஸ்பெசிபிக் வேர்ட் வந்து வளைஞ்சதா இருக்கு. slanted letters ஆ இருக்கு. Okay? No people here. Lazy told him. What are the italic words? Italic words? Here. Him is not italic. Here. But it is not seems like. Okay, right. So him and here. So here is indicating
The garden.
there are no dogs and no people here. அப்ப here அவங்க எதை சொல்றாங்க? Garden. Here is indicating the garden. Him is indicating Lazy told him. Him is indicating
Banners.
Banas. That's the right answer. The key was not there. There. Here again there. There. There.
In the door.
The key was not there.
In the door.
Window or door? Find and tell me. Door. Here there is indicating the door. Very good. Its lights lit up the house as it got nearer. Okay. So it is italic. It is italic. It is indicating the car.
The car.
இங்க போட்டிருக்கு its lights lit up the house as it got nearer. இங்க இட்ட இட்டாலிக் பண்ணி சரிச்சு எழுதி இருக்காங்க. இங்க இந்த இட்டுக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்? எதை குறிக்குது? எதை குறிக்குது? It got nearer. எது பக்கத்துல வந்துச்சு? எது பக்கத்துல வந்துச்சு? Which got nearer? The car got nearer. So here the it is indicating the car. Okay, car ஐ குறிக்குது. Wait for me there. Wait for me there. There is in italic. There is in italic. So there in the இங்க சொல்ற there எதை குறிக்குது? It is indicating car. Again the car. Wait for me. He said wait for me there. So that means again it is indicating the car. Okay, right. Now let's go.
Attacking.
Okay.
Attacking.
Let's go to the activity D. Which of this?
The exercise.
Okay, first of all, let's discuss the activity D. Which of these statements suggests that Lazy and Barnes were thieves? Okay, you wanted to tell me. First one, they had a car. From this statement, can you understand whether they are thieves or not? இந்த they had a car என்ற வசனத்தை பார்க்கறதன் மூலமா உங்களுக்கு டிசைட் பண்ண முடியுமா அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் கள்ளர்கள் என்று? They had a car? No, because I'm having a car, my neighbors are having.
It's a comment here.
So which of these statements suggests that Lazy and Barnes were thieves? You wanted to go through sentences by sentences and tell me this sentence says yes, this statement says no. Okay, so they had a car. Is it supporting?
No.
No. Second one, they were wearing dark clothes.
Yes.
Yes. This is the right answer. They were wearing dark clothes. This is the right answer because generally people they wear the colorful dresses and also this is specifically night time and they are wearing the dark clothes. So something is mysterious. So we can say, right? Other than that, generally people they love to wear dark colors and light colors. So we cannot come to the conclusion. But according to this reading comprehension, we can say yes. Okay. Third one. They put on gloves.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
According to this passage, we can say yes. Then you can ask teacher, doctors, nurse, and nowadays all the people are wearing gloves. So can we say that they are thieves? No. We are not indicating like that. Generally, after reading this passage, these statements are relevant to them. So according to the context, we are saying yes or no. Can you understand? இப்போ நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் gloves போடுற எல்லாருமே கள்ளங்களா? சாரி, கிளவுஸ் போடுற எல்லாருமே கலர்களா இல்லனா டார்க் ட்ரெஸ்ஸஸ் உடுத்திருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாம் கலர்களா அப்படின்னு நீங்க கேட்டீங்கன்னா அப்படி இல்ல. பொதுவா அப்படி இல்ல. இந்த நாங்க படிச்ச ரீடிங்ல கல்லன் அப்படிதான் இருக்காங்க, கலர்கள் அப்படிதான் இருந்தாங்க. அதனால நாங்க அதை வச்சு நாங்க இங்க ஆன்சர் பண்றோம். ஓகே, ரைட். செகண்ட் one, third, fourth one, Barnes wanted to take a gun. Right or wrong? Yes. So this is the supporting statement. Yes, they are thieves. They went through a small side gate. Supporting or not? They went through a small side gate. Right or wrong? That is
No. Wrong.
they went through a small side gate.
Wrong.
Right. Because why they wanted to go through the small side gate? They can straight away they can use the main gate. They can use the straight front door. So here, according to my point of view, they went through a small side gate purposely. They did this purposely. So hiding and doing something secretly. So this is a supporting statement. Sixth one, Barnes was afraid of dogs.
No.
No? Yes or no? Then who spoke
Yeah.
about? Who's?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, because yes, Barnes was afraid of dogs are fine. But here, which of these statements suggests that Barnes and Lazy were thieves? So afraid of dogs, does it mean it is connecting to about the thieves? நாய்களுக்கு பயப்படுற எல்லாருமே thieves are? No, right? No, right? Yeah, this is a general matter. Yeah. Lazy climbed through a window. Yes, obviously. Can anybody climb? Yes. This is the right answer. Can anybody climb through the window? Why do we need to use the window? We need the main door. So we can open the main door and we can get in. நாங்க எதுக்கு விண்டோவால ஏறி குதிச்சு தவண்டு போகணும்? மெயின் டோரை திறந்து அவர்கள் வருவாங்க. அப்ப இவங்க இப்படி செய்றாங்கன்னா that is obviously they are thieves. Lazy could whistle. Whistling.
Yes.
No, that is her ability. Whistling, because of someone is whistling, can we say that person is a thief? சும்மா விசில் அடிக்கிற காரணத்தால லேசி பானசோ கல்லனுட்டு சொல்லிடுமா? நோ. இப்போ அவங்க நாய்க்கு பயப்படுறதால அவங்கள கல்லனுட்டு சொல்லிடுமா? நோ நோ நோ. நீங்க அவங்கள கல்லனுட்டு சொல்றதுக்கு சரியான காரணம் இருக்கணும். ஓகே ரைட். They ran away when the car came.
Yes.
Yes. This is yes. Yes, this is true. Yes.
Yes or no?
Lazy could whistle. No. This statement is not supporting because whistling is an ability, right? Everybody can whistle, so that is not indicating. And also they ran away when the car came because car வரும்போது அவங்க ஓடினாங்கடா. அப்ப அதுல ஏதோ ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்குதானே. So that means it is supporting. So you have to find the supporting statements and not supporting statements. Okay, right. Let's go to the activity E. Put these sentences in the right order. I give 3 minutes and the guided composition. Before we go to the guided composition, shall we do the G part? Vocabulary practice. Complete these sentences using the words in the box. Okay, look at the words. Except, gloves, gun, key, midnight, panic, quack, signal, whistle, yard. Okay, so select the right answer. We arrived very late. After dash, in fact, the door was locked and I hadn't got a dash. What is the answer? First one, what is the answer?
Very late. After
After signal, in fact, the door was locked and I hadn't got a
key.
I hadn't got a key is the right answer. The bag was completely empty. Bag completely. Bag lo onnume illa, mutrilum kaaliya irukku. The bag was completely empty. Dash for a pair of dark dash. What's the answer? First one, what is the answer? The bag was completely empty. Except for a, very good, except for a pair of dark gloves. A pair of dark gloves. The bag was completely empty. Bagல ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையா? Except, எதை தவிர? Exceptனா தவிர. Except, E-X-C-E-P-T. இந்த exceptக்கு அர்த்தம்னா தவிர. எதை தவிர? A pair of dark gloves தவிர வேற எதுவுமே பேக்ல இல்லையா? Okay, so except for a pair of dark gloves. Third one, when I gave the dash, run round the edge of the dash 3 times. Right, off you go. What's the answer? When I give the whistle, run round the edge of the yard. Yard is the right answer. Yard 3 times. Yard 3 times. Right, off you go. Don't dash. He hasn't got a dash and he isn't dangerous. Don't panic. Very good. Don't panic. Yeah, don't panic. He hasn't got a gun and he isn't dangerous. பதறாதீங்க, பயப்படாதீங்க. அவர்கிட்ட கன் இல்ல and அவரு ஆபத்தானவரும் இல்ல. Next one, please keep dash. It disturbs me when you dash like that. Please keep quiet. It disturbs me when you whistle like that. When you whistle like that, because someone is whistling, we are asking the person to be quiet. Okay, so please keep quiet. It disturbs me when you have it. So third one, edge of the okay. When I give the whistle, run round the edge. So we have taken already. So the fifth one, please keep quiet. It disturbs me when you dash like that. Disturb me when you midnight like that. It is incorrect. So we have taken something wrongly. When I give the whistle, when I give the signal, run around the edge of the yard 3 times. That's the third one, right? The bag was completely empty except for a pair of dark gloves. We arrived very late after midnight. After midnight. Midnight goes up. After midnight. We arrived very late after midnight. நள்ளிரவுக்கு பிறகு. So that's the right answer. First one. And the last one, when you whistle. Interchange it. Okay? Right. So please do the remaining one. Thank you. Bye.